Both the Apple App Store and Google Play require apps to have a valid privacy policy. Not complying means that your app risks rejection when submitted. A privacy policy is a legal statement that clearly outlines what aspects of an app user's data are collected, how that information is stored, and what is done with that information. Please note, in order to configure your app privacy policy, you must first add technical support information about your app in the portal. Do this by going to the menu on the left and select General. There you will need to make sure you add a phone number and email address for technical support. Once that is done, you can update your app privacy policy. From the menu on the left, select Settings. Then click on Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions. Select Go to App Privacy Policy and then press Edit. Here you have the option to either create your own privacy policy or link to an existing one. You can also view the QuickSeries privacy policy to see the data that the apps collect. In addition, you can add placeholders into your policy that will dynamically load content into place. Examples of placeholders include app name, organization, and address, and more. Click on the Dynamic Placeholders button to view the complete list. You are also required to add contact information for the privacy policy. Once you are done, you can save the content as a draft or publish to the app. A Terms and Conditions agreement is the legal backbone of the relationship between your mobile app and your users. It sets forth clauses that embody the rules, requirements, restrictions, and limitations that a user must agree to in order to use your mobile app. Although not a mandatory requirement by the Apple App Store or Google Play, it is a best practice to include one as part of your app. Click on Terms and Conditions and edit to either add a Terms and Conditions policy or link to a pre-existing one. Similar to the Privacy Policy Editor, you can also add dynamic placeholders, view the QuickSeries Terms and Conditions, and add contact information. Click Publish to add the content to your app.